Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail, as you can tell by the title. This is from my good dolly friend in Croatia, Alexandra, from Alexandra's Dolly World. And she sent me yet another Happy Mail. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, wow. I thought I saw, nope. Okay, I want my packing slip off that. I saved those. Here it is. Here's a note. If you don't know Alexandra's channel, you should go by and check it out. The link is in my title. Hello, my dear dolly friends, Deron, Marna and Deron. I just hope that this Happy Mail will arrive before Christmas, but I hope that you will enjoy it after. With lots of love and hug from Alexandra and family from Alexandra Dolly World. Merry Christmas to you and your family. How very nice. Alexandra crochets and hand sews beautifully. I mean, beautiful work. I have received some of her items before. I've done this. I've received clothing for Blythe dolls. I put it on in the Happy Mail video and I never take it off. I got some from Alexandra. I have another rainbow-haired Blythe dressed in an outfit from her that I put on showing it in the video, and I never took it off. Same from Beth Ramston and Tammy Polly and J Dolls UK. And I'm trying to think if there's someone else. I'm sure there is. Isn't this the cutest? All sewn by hand. Beautiful gather work. Oh, that's beautiful. And then, oh, look at this beautiful soft pink dress. Oh, look at the little buttons. Alexandra, this is gorgeous. We're going to put this on Winter Rainbow standing here. I wanted to show her hair one more time. I love, love, love the colors in just a minute. But let's see what else. Oh my goodness. And the color theme. I love the color theme. Isn't that gorgeous? She has lace underneath the gathering. Oh, this is just beautiful. Alexandra, I cannot thank you enough. Look at this sweater. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is beautiful. And again, from Croatia, and she hand does everything. Look at this little skirt. Oh, my God. And the vest and the sweater for over it. Oh, my. A little headband, I'll bet. Oh, no, that's a scarf. I bet this is the headband. Oh, it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. And there's more, by the way. All of this plus, isn't that cute? Oh, she just made this little card. To you and your family, wish you Merry Christmas. Lots of love from Alexandra Dolly World. Isn't that cute? She must be doing journaling. That's several layers that she has put in, and that's puffed up. I love that. I used to do a lot of more cards and stuff. I did some journals, but more cards. Look, and she included some gorgeous fabric. Thank you. Cannot thank you enough. Let's dress Winter Rainbow. Look at the hair. I love this doll. I always say that, you know, there are winter rainbows, but to find them is rare. You have to find the pot of gold first, and then you'll see the rainbow. Look how beautiful my dolls look in these outfits. Alexandra, I cannot thank you enough. I love these outfits. I left the last button undone. Let me put my hand under it. Look at the delicate work she did for the buttonholes, and every one is exactly the same size. Just absolutely gorgeous work. And I love the gold woven through. My, oh my, thank you so much. Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for the Happy Mails. I'm having so much fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go over to Alexandra's channel and take a look at how she makes these items. She does videos on how she sews, I think on Saturdays. And she's really fun to watch. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, Alexandra. Merry Christmas.